All right, hold on, because today we are making the most insanely delicious peanut butter cup dessert. It's high in protein. It's just 3 ingredients. And then at the end, I'm going to show you a little twist on it where it brings down to almost zero sugar. So let's go. First, if you could just hit that little subscribe button, that'd be great. So you never miss a video. You get alerted when new ones are here. That's it. All right, the first ingredient, like always, we start with the protein, and that's to be our base. And we are going today with yogurt. This is a Greek non-fat yogurt. This we got from Trader Joe's. What I like about Greek yogurt is this has a lot of protein. It has 17 grams of protein, and it does have 5 grams of sugar, but that just comes from the milk. That's not added sugar. That's it. And stay tuned, because I'm going to show you an alternate where it takes it down to virtually zero sugar. So, a couple tablespoons, and we're good. So now that we've got the yogurt, we are going to now start getting the peanut butter. But here's the problem with adding regular peanut butter. If it's creamy or chunky, it's hard to mix in and you get big clumps. So I discovered this about 3-4 months ago, and I've been using it and I absolutely love it. And again, I always give a disclaimer. This is not a paid endorsement. I just like to share what I'm using in my kitchen and pantry and staying young at 53. This is called PB Fit, and it is just peanut butter powder. I don't know how they do it. They just grind up the powder. And this, for 2 tablespoons, it's only 60 calories. It has 3 grams of sugar, and it's 8 grams of protein. So it's just peanut butter. And if you love peanut butter as much as I do, this is insane because it mixes it really quickly. So depending on how much protein you want or how peanut buttery, is that such a word, peanut buttery? How peanut buttery you want it, I usually, especially if I have it at night, I'll usually add 1 tablespoon, but maybe you want to add 2. So we're just going to add it right to the yogurt. All right, so I'm just going to add 1 heaping tablespoon. As you can see, it's a really nice, soft consistency. I add it right into the yogurt. And you'll see in just about 10 seconds, it mixes really well, and it already has that nice peanut butter smell. And Ryan, you said like a peanut butter cup, people think chocolate. And yes, now this is where the hardcore nutrition people like try to use the guilt and shame. Never have a gram of sugar. You know, you can't have 1 chocolate chip. It's going to do this. It's going to throw you off the ketosis, and it's going to, all of that science and stuff. I'm not here to scare you. I just want to share what's working for me. And I say, if you want a couple of little chocolate chips at night, have a few chocolate chips. Like if that's what's going to get you to really love what you're eating, throw in a few chocolate chips. Is it the end of the world? Right? Now, I look at it as, to me, having the yogurt with the PB Fit, so you got that peanut butter flavor with just a few chocolate chips, it's still a much, much better alternative than digging in to the ice cream, which is all sugar and a lot of junk. You could use cacao nibs, you could use some chocolate baking powder, whatever you want to do, you can add to it, have a little bit of that chocolate flavor. My only suggestion is you don't go crazy. Like don't do 18 handfuls of chocolate chips. But for me, it's just a few where you could even make a little game so that each spoonful, like this one, I've got 3 chips on there. That's perfect. So I mentioned earlier in the video, how can we reduce the sugar even more? Obviously, you wouldn't have the chocolate chips, but you could do, instead of the plain Greek yogurt, there's a lot of yogurt companies now. This is by Chobani. This is Chobani Zero Sugar. And what I like about this is actually a 0 sugar vanilla. This is personally my favorite one. So I have this more often. So it's vanilla with the peanut butter, which is really nice. You got that vanilla peanut butter flavor. And then you can add a few chocolate chips. So you got like a vanilla chocolate peanut butter cup. This has 0 grams of sugar. There's other brands that have it. So try different flavors. Some of them are blueberry and strawberry flavored. So you can get like a strawberry peanut butter chocolate chip cup thing. So I think the real key to this is experimenting and trying different flavors and trying different combinations. You might say, you know what? I love the 0 sugar strawberry with the peanut butter, but no chocolate chips. Or I love blueberry with peanut butter and chocolate chips. And maybe that's your go-to. But again, it's not about being so strict that you can never have chocolate chips. You can never have the peanut butter. You have to have one flavor, or you can never have vanilla. It's trying different things and seeing what you like. So you stick with it and making better choices than digging into ice cream. which is going to have a lot more fat and calories.
Sure.
All right, so I have links to these products below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button so you can watch my next video. And speaking of next videos, check this one out.